first time, we are offering trauma and emergency nursing. It is a part-time course where nurses can go to work and they can come to school 2 days a week. They don't have to resign. They can actually earn and pay their fees. So really proud that we have graduated 13 of them this afternoon. We also want to talk about nephrology nursing. This is our first class. Nephrology has to do with the kidneys or renal health, and we know that the patients requiring dialysis have been on the increase, and therefore we saw a need. We have a very busy renal unit that often dialyzes about 45 patients a day, and therefore we realize there's a need to equip nurses to be able to work in that unit.